exhaust cam ports facing forward on this one. Just a little progress. Starting to tear down the 20 valve block. Still got all the brackets and stuff on, but there's definitely some lack of maintenance. But it's gonna be better because I'm going to change bearings, main bearings, connecting rod bearings, take the pistons out of here, clean everything out really well. And go from there, see where we're at, polish the crank. In the previous videos you see how the head looked. The head's all assembled now. It's definitely a work in progress here. Got the valve cover on there just so that it stays sealed up, but took the head to the machine shop, took 4 thousandths off the head, and polished the cams, lap the valves, clean all the ports as best as I could. Got it hot tanked at the machine shop as well, so I had to be used for it. And yeah, get in there. You've seen people take stuff apart a million times, so not really gonna go into too much detail as far as video wise, but just a little progress update for you guys following what's going on. It's gonna go eventually in here, hopefully sooner rather than later, but good things happen with time, so just taking my time, trying to do it as best as I can. Clean out the oil pump real good, just give an overall really good cleaning on this, and see where we're at. Hopefully I can reuse pistons and connecting rods, and life should be good. Keep you guys updated in a bit.